In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50, and today I would like to show you how you can delete any password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager by selecting Passwords. Then you can finally click on any password that you wish to delete, enter your current login method and hit continue. Now tap on delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!